You know, someone just asked me, what was the most interesting home I've ever sold? And I had to think about it because there's been some very interesting homes, but nothing more historic than when I sold the President's home. This home actually was designed by Thomas Jefferson, a previous president, and it was owned by 2 U.S. presidents, both the Grants. But what else made this home so historical? It was the longest operating farm in U.S. history. It was on 5,000 acres in Virginia. And the owner of it, when I sold it, was actually a survivor on the Titanic. Now, not the actual survivor, but the granddaughter, but that's who owned the property. It was a couple who met on the Carpathia, which was the boat that saved the Titanic, got married, bought this house, lived there forever. Their granddaughter decided to sell the home. Very historic home. The other thing is this home made it through the Civil War, and the owners were so mad about the Civil War, they left the bullet holes that were shot at the front door on there. Absolutely amazing, crazy history of this home. We sold it for $18 million. Check it out online. Look up the Brandon Plantation, an amazing estate.